Many divorcing couples in California assume that if their case goes to court in California, a judge is going to carefully review every aspect of their case. That couldn't be further from the truth. In truth, 95% of cases in California settle before ever going to trial. And going to trial or an evidentiary hearing is the only time when a judge is actually going to spend time reviewing your file, looking at the evidence, and really getting an opportunity to hear testimony from the parties and get a chance to listen to different aspects of your case, listen to different witnesses, and even ask questions directly of the parties. Most of the time, the judge is so busy and there are so many cases coming through the door that you are lucky if a judge reviews your file in advance and will maybe spend 10 minutes on your case on a given day. It is so crowded. There are so many procedural hoops to jump through before you would ever get to an evidentiary hearing, including an initial request for order hearing, a trial setting conference, a mandatory settlement conference, which is essentially a mediation, but that's a strong word for it. It's really a settlement conference between both parties, their attorneys if they have them, and maybe a temporary judge if they're available. Generally speaking, you're not going to get very many opportunities to have a judge review your case or really understand the evidence in your case. Judges are so busy, especially in the busiest California counties. It can take up to a year to get a hearing date, and you're lucky if you get 10 minutes or 20 minutes with a judge. It's just not what it seems like in the movies. No one is going to spend hours poring over your case file, and they're not going to be able to make very thoughtful decisions about your case, your assets, or your children. If you go to court, the court has to follow the law, and they are going to look to other experts. They're going to look to the attorneys to tell them how they should be breaking down property division. And in a lot of ways, they're going to be really constrained by the law when making decisions. In most cases, you are going to be better off settling as many aspects of your case outside of court before you even try to get to trial. You aren't going to get the hand-holding, the expertise, and the support in court that people think you're going to. So do your best to consult with people outside of the courtroom and try to settle your case outside of court if you can.